So guys ready? Let's do this. What's up YouTube? This is Amit Pandey and welcome once again to Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about shoes. Now a lot of you already know that I have a business that takes care of people's footwear. My team at Footsteps suggests best shoe care tips, offers solutions and prolongs the life of some of the most valuable sneakers. Now it would be absolutely unfair if I don't share those hacks on this channel. So in this video today, I'm going to share 3 simple tricks that you can perform at home to take care of your shoe collection and prolong its life. See you on the other side guys. So आज के इस वीडियो में मैं उन 3 ट्रिक्स पर फोकस करूंगा जो कि बहुत ही ज्यादा बेसिक हैं, उतने ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट भी हैं और इजी टू डू हैं। साथ ही साथ मैं आपको यह भी बताऊंगा कि इन ट्रिक्स को परफॉर्म करने के लिए क्या एक्सेसरीज और क्या टूल्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी और वो सस्ते से सस्ते तरीके से आप कहां से खरीद सकते हैं। So guys ready? Let's do this. So guys, first trick, start using a shoe tree for all your shoes as soon as possible. These are simple structures that are supposed to be inserted inside the shoes when they are not in use. इनका काम होता है शूज को टो से लेकर हील तक स्ट्रेच रखना सो दैट कोई भी रिंकल अपर मटेरियल पे सेटल ना हो और जब आप अगली बार अपने शूज पहने तो आपके फीट के हिसाब से वो शेप में हो। शू ट्रीज बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है फॉर एवरी शूज बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ शूज डाई बिफोर देयर एज जस्ट बिकॉज दे लूज देयर शेप। ये शू ट्रीज कई वैरायटी में आते हैं, जैसे कि ये जो कि प्लास्टिक और मेटल से बना हुआ है। फिर एक वुडन शू ट्रीज भी आता है जो कि सीडर वुड से बना होता है, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी का और प्रीमियम क्वालिटी का होता है। दिस पर्टिकुलर शू ट्री, इफ यू वांट ऑफ अ डिसेंट क्वालिटी, यू कैन गेट एनीवेयर बिटवीन 100 rupees to 200 rupees for a pair, and if you want any shoe tree which is made of cedar wood, you have to shell out around 800 rupees to 2000 rupees depending on the quality of the wood. You can buy these shoe trees at Footstep also. However, you can grab some good deals on Amazon as well. I'm going to share the link to these products in the description below to help you out. Moving on to the second trick, always use a shoe horn to slide your feet within the shoes. Shoe horns are these simple tools that you can keep at the edge of your heel tab and just slide your foot onto the shoe. It saves your time, makes the whole process of wearing shoes hassle free, and most importantly it will save your shoes. अब इस बात का आपको ध्यान देना होगा कि जब आप बिना शू हॉर्न के शूज को बार बार जबरदस्ती स्लाइड इन करते हो या रिमूव करते हो without opening your laces, the first part to get damaged in the shoe is this heel tab area. So guys, let me tell you very honestly that whenever I come across a shoe that has a damaged heel portion area, I feel very sad about it, and somewhere it also affects the durability of your shoes in the long run. So get a shoe horn for yourself as soon as possible. This is available in 2 variants, a stainless steel material and a plastic one. This works for me and has been with me for the last 5 years and it has been very helpful. So order it from Amazon right now. Now the third and the final trick of this video is to help you keep your shoes smell good. No one wants a foul smell in their shoes, and to address this issue in my shoes, I follow this simple trick. These are some of the naphthalene balls and I just leave them inside the shoe a night before, and the next day I get a fresh pair of shoes. In case if you feel that naphthalene balls are toxic or if you have an allergy towards them, you can also try dipping some cotton balls inside the shoes with Dettol or your favorite perfume. Whatever works for you, it's absolutely your choice. But make sure that you leave them overnight for at least 6 to 8 hours so that your shoe can absorb a fragrance and you get a fresh pair of shoes the next day. This trick is not only effective but will also save your money big time. In case you still want to invest in a decent sneaker perfume, I will share a few product links in the description below. बस फिर ये 3 tricks follow कीजिए and I'm confident that you will be able to see a positive result in the performance and durability of your shoes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know if you like this. I'll keep on bringing some helpful and valuable content on this channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, please do that right now. You can also start following me on Instagram because there I post some crazy sneaker deals and informative content. So if you are in shoes, if you love shoes, you should follow me on Instagram as well. Please share this video with your friends if you find this worth watching, and drop your views in the comment section below so that we can have a conversation around shoes. Till my next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks.